Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, drawbacks of this chemical, how to get started, and where and when to apply. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
Demon WP is a cypermethrin wettable powder insecticide. Demon comes pre-measured in a water-soluble packet, making it easy to mix and easy to apply. Demon WP controls many different species of insects, but we typically recommend it primarily for indoor and outdoor use to control ants, cockroaches, spiders, and even wood-destroying insects, like carpenter ants and termites. Demon comes pre-measured in packets, which eliminates the need for measuring and inhalation risk, but also limits the mix rate of the product. When mixing Demon, you need to thoroughly agitate the mixture so it will dilute properly. If the solution is not agitated properly, it can cause some product to settle out during use, or even clog the intake of your sprayer. Demon is also limited to spot treatments and crack and crevice treatments indoors, and outdoors it's limited to barrier treatments or spot and crack and crevice treatments. It's also important to note that when you spray Demon, it will leave behind a visible residue as the product dries. Repeated use of Demon can lead insects to build up resistance to the active ingredient. Repeated use of the product with decreasing signs of effectiveness can be an indication that the insects have built up resistance to it. You'll need to periodically cycle in other chemicals to minimize this. If you want a pesticide with a broad use label and variable mix rates, check out Flex 1010. Flex 1010 can be used indoors and outdoors as a broadcast spray to control many different pests, as well as mattress and box spring treatments for bed bugs. Before using Demon WP, be sure to wear proper personal protective equipment, or PPE. You can mix Demon at a rate of 1 to 2 packets per 1 to 5 gallons of water, depending on the level of infestation and your targeted pests. Always follow label directions for a proper mix rate and do not over-apply. Before handling the Demon packets, make sure your gloves are dry. Any moisture on the gloves can cause the water-soluble packets to begin dissolving. Fill your sprayer halfway with water, and then add the water-soluble packet into the sprayer. Allow 1 to 2 minutes for the packets to dissolve, and then add the rest of the water and agitate your sprayer and you're ready to apply. Demon WP can be applied outdoors for long-lasting control of many pests. Spray Demon in areas where insects can gain access to a structure, such as weep holes, vents, window frames, eaves, and where electrical and plumbing penetrate the walls. You can also use Demon to spot spray areas where there's pest activity, like ant mounds or ornamental plants. Demon can also be used indoors, but only as a spot treatment or crack and crevice treatment. You can apply Demon WP with either a pump sprayer, a backpack sprayer, or a spray rig for large volume application. Apply Demon during calm days when rain is not in the immediate forecast, and keep all pets and people off the treated areas until they're dry. Demon WP has a residual of 60 to 90 days. We typically recommend spraying every 2 months for continual control. Demon is not an instant kill. Once the insect comes into contact with the chemical, it can take a few hours for it to die. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. Typically, you'll also need an insect growth regulator and bait or dust for complete control. For each insect, we've come up with a treatment method that we guarantee 100% to work. Click the card on the top right to get more information.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.